Hello everyone, welcome in InfoMoney India. You probably have noticed our topic by seeing the thumbnail and the title of our video. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to record audio for your YouTube videos in laptop. So guys, nowadays audio matters a lot in your videos because people should understand what you're talking about and what you are saying in the video. So having a clear and a good quality of audio can change the growth of your channel and your videos. So guys, this video is going to be helpful and interesting. So if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and let's get started with the video. Guys, there are two requirements for audio recording. First is a good mic and another thing is audio recording software. Now, there are so many mics in the store for audio recording, but the one I use is called Voya by M1 and this works perfect for me. And as for the software, I use Audacity. Audacity is the simplest and the best audio recording software so far for me because it's an easy tool to use and it's very handy. And on top of that, it's a free software. So I recommend both of these accessories to you if you want to record nice and clear voice for your YouTube videos. And Voya by M1 and the Audacity works perfect. So guys, let's get started with the recording by using both of these accessories. So guys, this is the internal look of our audio recording software Audacity. Guys, as I said in the beginning that this audio recording software is basic and very handy and any new creator can understand what's on top of this audio recording software. As you can see over here, this is play, stop, resume and go forward and backward, and if you see over here, it's a red button where you can start recording. Other things are unnecessary, so you don't have to worry about them. If you want to switch which mic you want to use, you just have to plug in your mic, and over here you will see an option for external mic where you can select that and start recording. There are two types of recording, one is mono and another one is stereo, so you can choose whatever you want. And if you want to listen your voice, you can just select whether you want speaker or your headphone. So guys, that was the basic and what you had to know about it while you are starting this software. So now I'm going to start by just clicking on that red button and start recording my voice. So guys, I just did a recording of 40-second plus and I did this time on my own language, Hindi. I don't apply on my videos because I cannot really fluently speak in Hindi, so I don't apply it. But this time I did it just for the recording demo, so you can just listen how I speak, okay? Just a little bit. चलिए इस बार कुछ हिंदी में रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. मैं हिंदी में रिकॉर्ड वीडियोस पे नहीं करता क्योंकि मेरे को ज़्यादातर हिंदी नहीं आती और मैं ज़्यादा फ्लुएंटली नहीं बोल सकता, सो आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट. मेरा एक्चुअल में नाम है सुमन. आई नो दिस इज अ गर्लिश नेम, सो प्लीज डोंट माइंड इट. So guys, that was my actual voice in Hindi. I don't know how it is, you just judge it by yourself. But let's talk about the voice I just recorded in Hindi. So guys, as you can see over here, I just kept some space before talking by my own voice. So over here you can see over here, that's because you just have to collect some outside noise that are coming in your recording. So that's important. You should do about 4 or 5 6 seconds for this recording, okay? For everyday recording actually you should do that, and you can later edit this outside noise. So if you want to remove outside noise, you just have to select this first, okay? Select all of them, actually the first beginning part, and go to effect over here, and as you can see over here, noise reduction, click on that and get noise profile. So click over here, okay? Now you'll have to select all of this sound record, okay, just by control A, yeah, and go to effect again. Then over here you can see second option, repeat noise reduction, okay? Click on that and you're applying noise reduction. Now your noise will be much more clear and your outside noise will be removed. So if you listen to this sound again, हिंदी में रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. मैं हिंदी में रिकॉर्ड वीडियोस पे नहीं करता क्योंकि मेरे को ज़्यादातर. Don't you think it's much better now than what was it before? So guys, if you are still unhappy with the background noise, you can still remove it just by highlighting them by Control A and go to effect again and do the noise reduction. Since I'm not going to do anything because I'm fine with it, background noise is good for me now. I'm not going to do anything, so I'm going to remove the unwanted part of my audio. So I'm just going to cut it by selecting the unwanted part. And if you have more to remove, you can do it just by selecting and cut. Then after that you want to export it, so I'm going to go in the corner side and there is file over there. You can see export option, export in mp3. Click on that and you can now save it in any folder. So but just name it and save it. So I'm not going to save it because I've already done it, so I'm fine. So that was the whole process of audio recording for YouTube videos. Guys, how was it? Please let me know. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and give a thumbs up to our video. I hope you learned something new and enjoyed our video. And if you have any question based on these tips, you can ask me in Instagram. You will see my Instagram on the YouTube profile, or you can check it on down below at my description. And for now, let's say goodbye and Jai Hind.